Okay, so for this video, let's continue our discussion of the engagement partner's responsibilities as it relates to the audit. And so here we're at section, or AUC section 220.17, and this tells us the engagement partner's responsibilities for the direction, supervision, and performance of the audit. And it says the engagement partner should take responsibility for the following. That's the direction, supervision, and performance of the audit engagement in compliance with professional standards, applicable legal and regulatory requirements, and the firm's policies and procedures. He should also take responsibility for the auditor's report being appropriate in the circumstances. And so we've got some explanatory material here, sections 12 through 14. So let's go down to those. Okay, so here we're down in the explanatory material. And so what we've seen and the other parts of this AUC section 220 is it's sort of a recap of sections, AUC sections 200 and 210. But for this particular AUC section, it's in relation to the engagement partner's responsibilities. And so when the engagement partner is managing the direction, supervision, and the performance of the engagement, he needs to inform the members of the engagement team of the following responsibilities. And that includes their responsibility and the need to comply with relevant ethical requirements and to plan and perform an audit with professional skepticism. And so we've done a video on ethical requirements and also another video regarding professional skepticism. And those are AUC section 200.16 and AUC section 200.17. So you can go to those videos if you want to see the audits requirements for those. But for this particular section, this is in relation to the engagement partner's responsibilities for making sure that the engagement team understands those responsibilities. He should also inform the engagement team members of their responsibilities. And the engagement partner should also make sure that the engagement team understands the objectives of the work to be performed, the nature of the entity's business, any risk-related issues, any problems that may arise, and detailed approach to the performance of the engagement. And so hopefully this will facilitate appropriate communication between the partner and the engagement team. So going down to some more items that are relevant to this section, we see here that the engagement partner is also responsible for supervising and tracking the progress of the audit engagement, for considering the competence and capabilities of the individual members of the engagement team, and he may decide that maybe some more teamwork or training should be necessary for this particular engagement. But he should also address the significant findings and issues that arise during the audit, and he should also identify matters that we should consult or consider more qualified engagement team members. So maybe there's some complex things about this audit, and he needs to direct the appropriate staff to those matters. So overall, the partner needs to really keep a close eye on the engagement and make sure that things are being carried out appropriately.